Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to own NFTs on Binance. I've received a lot of questions from many of my viewers, and the question is, how can I become a creator on Binance? I made a video about 3 months ago on how my account became approved for Binance NFT, and I've explained the challenges I've had since then. I've also talked about how difficult it is to become a creator on Binance because Binance are no longer accepting new creators. So how can you own NFT, or how can you have NFT collections on Binance? In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before we begin, first of all, I want to give a shout out to all the new subscribers that I have on this channel. If you're interested in topics like finance, NFTs, you're interested in making smart investment, how you can make money online, this is the channel for you. So a like and a sub is going to be fantastic. Without wasting much of your time, I want to show you how you can own NFTs on Binance. So first of all, you first need obviously a Binance account, and as soon as you've gotten that, all you need to do is come to the Binance NFT homepage. So when you do that, the best place to get the best NFT is on the recommended creators. Actually, there's a lot of NFTs you can have. There are different ways you can even filter them if you want it, depending on what you like. But this is actually the best way I have seen, or the one I will do myself. First, on the recommended creators, these are the creators that get free promotion from Binance. So you can see there are 4 in number. So all you just need to do is pick any one. So let's use this one for example, the first one on the list of on Binance recommended creators. All you need to do is come down here and you can see the recently listed um, NFTs that are available. All you just need to do is scroll through all of them to check if there's anyone that you like. If you ask me, this is not how I will do it. This is actually the way I'm going to do it that will even be more profitable for you. So what you should actually be looking for are upcoming NFTs. So very new NFTs. Let's check NRL for example. So if you come to his page, you can see that he has a lot of NFT here. There are a lot of NFTs here. All you just need to do is pay attention to NFTs that have this coming soon icon on it. I hope you can see it, coming soon. So we are only after NFTs that are coming soon. So as soon as you have discovered this, all you just need to do is find out when is it going to be coming soon. All you just need to do is click on it, and as soon as you have clicked on it, you'll be able to see what time is going to be available. You can see it's 1 day and 3 hours from now. So all you just need to do is set your timer and have it at the back of your mind that exactly 1 day from now and 3 hours you will be able to get this NFT. You'll be able to get this NFT, and as soon as you have gotten this NFT, it's going to be added to your collections. I hope you get the point. So what you're actually doing is looking for upcoming NFTs. That is actually the best way you can buy NFTs at a very low price and sell them at a very high price. So that's going to be all for this video. If you have any question on how you can create your own collection, write it down in the comment section. I'm going to make a video just for you. See you in my next video.